Gawa pa na mabanlas na mga balaya nila dito. Pero na. Away, lisod na kayo ng ingunanang agian sa imong balay, Brigada Cap, no?
Sa tuwa sa lisod, banlas yun.
Luluan. Grabe yun ang kabalayan. Gibanlas, sumayo niya matay. Di na mabasta-basta ni nga tubiga, magahigala kung sa pag-initaw ni Bayin. O, nag-iingo na to kung siya man nga rason, ani. No? Ipahigmata, magitag maayo. Nga di na to na diya lagi taon na yamaan ng atong mga proyekto, Brigada Cap, no?
Atong kalikupan, di na to na.
Oh, niya kanibang di sa ginato na diya yama-yamaan ang ato ang kalikupan kay maunay makatabang protektar na to. No? Mao siguro gyud ni Brigada Cap nganong ngayon ani naman ni grabe naman gining baha ron di naman lang kay tagatuhod tagaliog. No? Lapaw bay naman ning mga baha.
Let's go, Fantabulous 5!
Imagine all the new places you'll go with Mickey and his crew.
Heroes, let's get to work!
It'll be super fun. Wow!
Up the stairs can take you anywhere.
Come on!
Imagine the adventure.
Ready to hit the trail?
Maybe we should keep moving.
Imagine the fun.
Ta-da!
Where will you go?
I love safaris!
Mickey Mouse Funhouse. Every day on Disney Junior.
My name's Ariel, and these are my friends.
Go on an adventure with Ariel and all her fantastic friends and family.
It's fashion time! You look fantastic. I love it.
Ariel. Weekend mornings on Disney Junior.
Let's go, baby. Come on now. I get strong. You get strong.
Hey guys, done for some deep sea fishing? Crack of dawn Saturday?
Oh, let's go, baby.
What time are you heading back?
We'll be back by dusk.
We're gonna be all right. We're four big, strong men.
Well, you can't bench press the ocean.
Look at this haul. This weather is not good.
We gotta wrap it up.
Nicholas, it's Mom. I know you went out fishing this morning. This big storm's supposed to hit. Love you, hon. Bye.
Get back to the boat. I get strong. You get strong. You get strong. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
This is now a rescue mission.
We've got some men out in the open water.
4 men in the middle of a giant storm.
What's happening to him?
Hypothermia.
Captain, is my boy still alive?
Let's turn this thing up. I'm gonna do everything in my power to bring him home safe and sound.
Right now. Let's go.
No visual. Weather getting worse.
We are not done yet.
Hang on. I love you.
Hope is the strongest thing that we have.
I get strong. You get strong. We get strong.
Good evening mga kapuso! Clash Nation! Be ready! Dahil may mga nagbabalik sa newest season ng The Clash. Pero hindi lang yan, ang mga twist na aabangan sa original Pinoy Singing Search. Makichika kay Lars Santiago.
The Clash! Isa! Laban sa lahat!
Noong Sunday, umarangkada ang ikapitong season ng The Clash 2025. Twist after twist ang atake dahil opisyal nang ipinakilala ang 24 na contestants, ang 12 bagong clashers at 12 clashbackers mula sa mga nagdaang season. Sa MediaCon, kasama ng 24 contestants, sina Clashmasters, Julian San Jose at Raver Cruz. At ang 2 sa Clash panel na sina Lani Misalucha at Christian Bautista.
Medyo mahirap para sa akin kasi nga, we're going to have to judge again
the clashbackers. Paano kung meron ng kailangan ma-let go na yung isang clashbacker? It's really going to be hard for me.
Iba na yung dynamic eh. Meron mga veterans at meron mga bago. Pero mas exciting para sa akin.
Lahat sila equally, nagpapakitang gilas, lahat magagaling, binibigay lahat ng best nila. For me, ito yung pinaka mahirap. Pero at the same time, nakaka-excite kasi unpredictable lahat ng mga gagawin nila sa Clash Arena.
At dahil nga kakaiba ang kasalukuyang season ng The Clash, sobrang nanabik daw sila sa mga pwedeng mangyari sa original Pinoy Singing Surge.
Excited ako kung anong kalalabasan sa dalawang grupo and kung makaka-keep up ba yung mga new Clashers sa mas may experience ng Clashbackers.
Ang nilolook forward ko, magkakaroon ng isang super laking twist na magaganap. Pwedeng hindi lang isang winner, pwedeng dalawang winners. Hindi natin talaga masasabi.
Pero bukod sa The Clash 2025 twists, may iba pa raw inaabangan sina Lani at Christian.
Ako
Ready na ako kumanta, date na lang.
Of course, sino ba naman hindi may excite, ano? Second season sila nung pumasok as hosts. They were really good friends. And kami ni Ai, kami yung parang marites na mga tita. Kami yung mga chismosang tita na we've been observing both of them. Ganon kami ni Ai, how I wish na sila.
Ninang. Yung journey ng love story namin ni Jules, nandun talaga sila Miss Lani, sila Kuya Christian, sila Ate Ai. So, alam mo yun, and time flies talaga eh. And now, yun na lang naman yung hinihintay.
We're just very, very happy at where we are now, and we are excited even more dun sa kung ano man yung mangyayari sa future.
Lars Santiago, updated sa showbiz happening.